Now let's be honest, you use Google every single day, right? But here's the catch, you're probably only using a tiny version of what it can actually do. So today I'm walking you through free hidden Google tools that can seriously make your life easier. And stick around till the end because I'll show you a fun little hack to replace the Google logo with your own name or whatever name you want to use. So let's jump straight in. So let's start with something powerful, Google Trends. Imagine having a live dashboard that shows exactly what the world is searching for right now. That's trend. If you're a content creator, marketer, or student, this is good for spotting what's out before everyone else. Spotting what is out before everyone else. For example, if you type AI tools, we instantly see whether interest is rising or falling. You can even compare searches like iPhone versus Samsung S25 and find out which one is winning and the popularity contest. Now here is one that feels like magic, Google Lens. You just point your camera at anything and Lens will instantly recognize it. So you are at a restaurant abroad and the menu looks like alien code. Snap it, Lens translates it in seconds. Or you see a stylish gadget like laptop but don't know where to get it, Lens finds it for you and review is included. Next, let's talk productivity, Google Keep. If you love sticky notes, this is the smarter, cooler, cloud-powered version. I use it to save videos, reminders, and shopping lists. And here's the best part, everything syncs instantly across all your devices. You can write a note on your laptop and check it later on your phone. Plus, you can share lists with your teammates or family so everyone stays on the same page. This one is fun, Google Art and Culture. It lets you explore a museum, historic landmarks, and famous artworks from around the world without leaving your chair. Want to see the Dubai Museum into the broad light? Every tiny detail, feeling curious? Try out selfie feature and see which painting looks like. Spoiler alert, mine locked. And for the students, researchers, or anyone who loves facts, meet Google Scholar. This is where you find academic papers, case studies, and research articles, all free. If you're writing an essay or making a presentation, instead of scrolling random blogs, just search here. You get reliable peer-reviewed sources in seconds. Okay, now for the fun part, let's meet Google yours with a free Chrome extension called Doodle. You can literally change the Google logo to display your own name. Just install Doodle, type your name, refresh, and that's it. Google is now officially your name. It is useless but hilarious and look really cool if you want to prank your friend. And that's it, 5 hidden Google tools plus one bonus hack. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comment section. And hey, if you find this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification because I've got more secret tools and hacks coming your way.